Another day, another glitch. If you say this on your iPhone using the dictation feature, hyphen, 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 it will crash your device. Now, this works for the iPhone, it works for the iPod, obviously, and it works on the iPad. So this iPad is actually not in the frame, and this iPad is also running iOS 12, and this is also running iOS 12.1.2. This is running iOS 12.1, and it works just as the same. Alright, so you activate dictation, and all you gotta just say hyphen, 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 and it will crash your device. So, and this is going all the way back to iOS 10, iOS 9, whenever dictation was first introduced. So if you're on iOS 11, you can also do just that too. So this is running iOS 11. I can go into the settings, I can go into the general. So this is running iOS 11.3.1, as you guys can see, and I can do the same exact thing and it will crash my device. So I'm gonna press the microphone icon, the dictation, hyphen, 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 and it'll crash your device. So, it's very, it's not harmful. It's just, I don't know, if you want to pull a prank on somebody, you can do so. But yeah, I know Apple is going to fix this on the next update, which is going to probably be, maybe they might fix it on iOS 12.2, or possibly maybe push out another update. But it's very, very harmless, so Apple is going to take their time with this one. But it's something that Apple's most likely going to fix. And it's just amazing on how simple these glitches can be. So simple to do. Man, I don't know, but I throw a link in the description to whoever found this glitch. It's just amazing. And just to show you guys, it can work on any application. Hyphen, 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 hyphen. Look, it crashed the application, but if you use it on the Spotlight, hyphen, 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 hyphen. Yeah, there we go. And it'll crash. So only if you use the Spotlight, it'll crash your device. It'll just respring, just a quick little reboot. But if you use it on the application, it'll crash the application altogether. So if you're running any kind of iOS software right now, you are, affected by this glitch. But it's not even a problem. It's no invasion of privacy. It's just a restart. So this is a very, very harmless glitch. It's nothing wrong with your device. After when you do it, it's just going to quickly restart your device. So nothing to worry about at all. But yeah, there you guys have it. If you guys are new around here, make sure you guys subscribe with notifications on. Drop a like on this video if you guys did enjoy this video. Comment down below what you guys think. And thank you guys so much for watching. Salute. Make sure you guys follow me on Twitter at SimplyPops, as well as Instagram. I'm trying to get my followers up there. Have a simple day. Peace.